Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we'll discuss about principle of inclusion and exclusion formulae. So, based on this formula, we are going to discuss few examples in our coming classes. So, coming to this formula, let's try to understand this formula. What is the principle means? Let A and B be two sets. You take two sets, then number of elements in the union of two sets. Take these two sets, number of elements in the union of these two sets is given as the sum of the number of elements in the sets. Sum of the number of elements in the sets minus number of elements in intersection. So anyhow, with example, you are going to understand the formula better. Let's take this example. A, B are two sets. A is 1, 2, 5, B is 5, 7, 8. So the number of elements in these two sets, union means all the elements in A and B. So 3 plus 3, how many? 6 elements are there. But here in the set, we should not write the common elements, duplicate elements. 5 is present in both the sets. We have to write only one time. So total number of elements in the set A union B is given as 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. So total how many elements are there? 5 elements are there. So how we are going to get this equation? Is number of elements, det symbol is given as number of elements in the A union B is given as number of elements in A, that is 3 elements, plus number of elements in B. How many elements are there? 3 elements minus common elements, because 5 added here, 5 added here. So 5 added 2 times, we should eliminate 1 time. So that's why minus A intersection B. 5 is the intersection between A and B. So removing 1 time, number of elements in A intersection B, remove 1 time. So that's why it is given as 3 plus 3 minus 1, which is 5. So the total number of elements in A union B is 5 elements. Let's extend this formula to the 3, if you are having 3 sets also. Now take this example, A union B union C. If you are having 3 sets, A union B union C is given as number of elements in A plus number of elements in B plus number of elements in C minus number of elements in A intersection B minus number of elements in A intersection C minus number of elements in B intersection C plus number of elements in A intersection B intersection C. Why it was given like this? Let's try to understand with an example. Let's take an example A, B, C. A is having 1, 2, 5, 6, B 5, 2, 8, 9, C 1, 5, 8, 11. How many elements in A? 4 elements. How many elements in B? 4 elements. How many elements in C? 4 elements. So number of elements in A, 4 elements. Number of elements in B, 4 elements. Number of elements in C, 4 elements. But the thing is, 2, 5 common in both the sets A and B. We need to write only one time. So that's why 2, 5 written here, added here, 2, 5 counted here. Remove one time, remove the count one time. That's why minus A intersection B. A intersection B means 2, 5. So the number of elements in A intersection B is 2. We are removing the count one time. Similarly, 1, 5, 1, 5 common in A and C means it has written 2 times. 1, 5 counted here, 1, 5 counted here. Eliminate one time. So that's why minus A intersection C. Similarly, 5, 8, 5, 8 common in B and C. 5, 8 counted here, 5, 8 counted here. That's why eliminate one time. Minus B intersection C. And plus, why we are doing this plus? 5, 5, 5. We are having that element, common element in all the sets. Means 5 added here, 5 added here, 5 added here, minus 5 subtracted here, 5 subtracted here, 5 subtracted here. Added 3 times, subtracted 3 times, means 5 is not there in our count because it is common in all the sets. So that is the reason add A intersection B intersection C. What is A intersection B intersection C is 5. How many elements are there? 1 element. That's why 4 plus 4 plus 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 plus 1. So total number of elements are 7 elements. So A union B union C is given as 1, 2, 5, 6. 2, 5 is common. So 8, 9. Total how many elements are there? 1, 2, 5, 6, 4 plus 2, 6 elements. 1, 5, 8 already common, which is 11. So total 7 elements. So this is what the principle of inclusion and exclusion says. Based on this principle, we are going to do some practice examples in our next classes. Hope you understand this principle. Hope if you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.